Wow, it's been that long since I recorded a video on the channel. August 31st. You all thought I was gone. I've uploaded 2 or 3 videos this year. And just to make it up here, here's my first video on the vlog channel in 2025. It's probably going to be the only one too. So, it's been 460 plus days since I last posted from this recording, and I have no idea what to say. I know everything's been busy and all that. Last time we were here, these keychain boards weren't up. Now they are. There's another one in the back too. And it's been quite a while. And you know, it's really, it feels long that I haven't been posting frequently, and I've been losing all my vlog subscribers, and I just don't know what to say. But you know, it's December, it's that time of year again. We have to listen to Christmas music. Like this song, I'm pretty sure it's Christmas music. But it's been 460 days. But here I am recording with another wacky old camera. Well, it's more of a camcorder actually. So it's designed to record videos, not record pictures. And I'm gonna check the stairs real quick. No, not that I see anything. Oh, it's got a flashlight, cool. Yeah, I don't see anything. Oh well. Yeah. Yeah. It's if any of you still believe in Santa, here he is. He has 4 arms. The car is out there. It's not really detailed where I live, huh? Give you hints, not anywhere near where you guys live, so. But a lot of things changed in the last 400 days, 460 days, and not really to shout out to anyone, but it's been, it's been a while since I recorded something. So yeah, see you all in probably the next 500 days or something like that.